Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Andy's Toolbox. Welcome here to my cluttered workbench and to the next story in my developing toolbox saga. A part of every man's entourage is going to be the ability to produce light and heat when you're outdoors or when it's essential. And in that case, we come to the lantern. The lantern these days is not quite what it used to be. This is a Walmart lantern, and frankly, it's a giant piece of shit. Okay, I got this lantern expecting it to work properly, and after the second fill, I noticed that when I'd come back to it months later, it would smell like kerosene underneath, and the plastic I was setting it on would have residue of kerosene on it. This lamp doesn't seal, and from the reviews I've read online, the Walmart lanterns that they're selling do not seal. They leak, and this is an apparent problem. You will also notice next to it, my secret weapon, red coat. This is a gas tank sealer, which will, yes, work to seal a lantern as well, because kerosene is much less viscous, and the chances of success are high. So here we have our secret weapon. I have disassembled this lantern. This is fairly easy to do. You have this top piece that the wick comes through. To make this quite simple for our friends that haven't disassembled their lantern yet, this is a rubber seal that sits under that, and this fits into these tangs on here like that. You click it in and it produces the pressure needed to seal the rubber seal. What I did was got a piece of plastic, made it into sort of a cone shape. It doesn't really have to be tight, just a cone shape, and make sure that the protrusion isn't facing down, and pour some red coat into it. But before doing this, make sure that you lock the breech, because if this flies closed while you're pouring this, it can make a nasty mess everywhere. And twirl the lantern until the red coat starts getting tacky. Pour the red coat out of the fill hole back into the can, and then not too much. Leave just a little bit of red coat in there to settle into the seam where it wants to leak from. And problem fixed. If you look inside there, you can see the red coat settled. Beautiful thing. I will let you guys know if this is a long-term video with the follow-up, long-term solution with the follow-up video to this one. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Andy's Toolbox. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Do whatever you feel like doing. You know how it is, guys. Cheers, and stay tuned for more great content. Bye.